Hello children, we completed exercise 1.1 in rational numbers till 8th solution. Now I am continuing the 9th problem. So what is the 9th solution here given? What number should be added to minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2? So what number should be added? That means we don't know the number. So let the number equal to x. What should be added to x? Added to x is equal to minus 5 by 8. And the result we are getting is minus 3 by 2. So how we write this according to the problem? Some number is adding to minus 5 by 8 and giving the result is minus 3 by 2. So send this minus 5 by 8 to right side, that become plus 5 by 8. So this is equal to LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12 plus 8 1s are 8, 5 1s are 5. Therefore x is equals to minus 12 plus 5. Minus 12 plus 5 is minus 7 by 8. So x should be minus 7 by 8, that will be added to minus 5 by 8, that will get minus 3 by 2. We will see that whether it will come or not. Minus 7 by 8 plus of minus 5 by 8 is equal to minus 3 by 2. So LCM is 8, minus 7 plus into minus is minus 5 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus 7 minus 5 is minus 12 by 8 is equal to minus 3 by 2. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Therefore the x value is correct, what we got should be added to minus 5 by 8 and gives minus 3 by 2. Next we go to 10th solution. What is the 10th question? The sum of two rational numbers is 8. If one number is minus 5 by 6, find the other number. Given the sum of two rational numbers, the sum of two rational numbers is equal to 8. If one of the number is minus 5 by 6, if one of the number is equal to minus 5 by 6, find the other. So other number equal to what? So sum of the two numbers, that is 5 by 6 plus other number, let's take it as x, is equal to 8. Therefore x equals to 8 minus of 8 and minus 5 by 6 go that side, it becomes plus 5 by 6. Therefore x equal to LCM is 6, 1 6s are 6, 8 6s are 48 plus 6 1s are 6, 5 1s are 5. Therefore x equals to 53 by 6. So 53 by 6 is another number to add minus 5 by 6, which gives answer is 8. That we will see whether it will come or not. Minus 5 by 6 plus x. What x you got? That is 53 by 6. That is equal to LCM is 6 minus 5 plus 53. What is minus 5 plus 53? That is 53 minus 5 is 48. 48 by 6, 6 1 ja, 6 8 ja. Therefore it is equal to sum of the two numbers 8. Next, the 11th question is subtraction associated in rational numbers? Explain with the example. That we have done already when we are telling the properties of the rational numbers. You can go through the reader and solve it. And see the 12th one. Verify that minus of minus x is equal to x. For the values 1, x equals to 2 by 15, and second one x equals to minus 13 by 17. That means you have to substitute the x value in the given equation, that is minus of minus x equal to x. So the first one is minus of minus 2 by 15 is equal to minus into minus plus. So plus 2 by 15. And what is the second one? Minus of minus 13 by 17. Minus of minus x. So minus of minus x value is minus 13 by 17. Therefore minus of minus into minus plus. So 13 by 17, that is equals to minus 13 by 17. So the last bit of the exercise is write. There are 3 simple single answer questions that we will see now. The set of numbers which do not have any additive identity. What do you mean by an additive identity? 0 is called an additive identity. 0 is not there in which set of numbers? 0 is not there in the natural numbers. Therefore, the set of numbers which do not have any additive identity, that is natural numbers. The first answer is natural numbers. Next, second one is the rational numbers that does not have any reciprocal. So you all know what you mean by the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of minus 6? That is equal to, what is the reciprocal of minus 6? Minus 1 by 6. What is the reciprocal of 2? 1 by 2. So do you know what is the reciprocal of? That is the rational number that does not have any reciprocal. So that is 0. And the third one is the reciprocal of a negative number. The reciprocal of a negative number is negative only. The reciprocal of a negative number. Suppose if minus 6 is there, just now I said. What is the reciprocal of minus 6? Minus 1 by 6. So here we end the exercise 1.1. Have a good day.